this is Tanika with the Journey of Tsamone, and I'm coming to you today with my very first unboxing and first impressions video for the Sassy Style Box from Sassy Jones Boutique. I've been following this boutique online on Instagram for a while now, and I've been very impressed by the Instagram page, how clean the pictures are. I'm the type of person that really pays attention to the details of the page, because I feel like if you put special care and detail into how the presentation is, then you will take that same care and detail into the quality of your product. A few months ago, she started the Sassy Style Box, which is a subscription box. The box is $29.99 a month, and it usually has between $70 and $100 worth of products every month. This month is my first month receiving a Sassy Style Box. I signed up for it last month, so I wanted you all to get the first impressions of what I get for the products that I receive. I just got the items in the mail today, so I'm going to do, from scratch. We're going to open everything together. So let's see. Okay, the first thing I see is this clutch. And I'm impressed. I love the details in it. It has all of the colors. It has fuchsias, it has purples and blue, and my favorite color has green right across the top, and it is gold accents. It also has this strap, which I love. This is beautiful. And it has a zipper. It has a zipper, and it has the little gold snap. That is what it's called. It's called a snap. It is enough space inside that I can put my gum and my phone and a few coins in there. Just throw that right on in there. I love clutches to go with anything. It's just as simple as a statement necklace. It is beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna go on to the next piece because I could talk about this all day long. We now have our box. When I say the details matter to me, they absolutely matter to me. I love how her logo and her box matches her website and matches her Instagram page. I love the care that she has taken into making the product feel so like quality. But I'm gonna open up the box now, okay? Obviously, I'm already impressed by the box, and I haven't even looked inside. So let's look inside. Okay. So when we open up, that's my receipt. I'll take that. We have a thank you card, and on the back is all of her contact information and social media information, which I'll probably post at the bottom if you all are interested. And let's see what's inside. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh. She has a beautiful, look at this necklace. Look at the pendants on it. Can y'all see that? Oh my gosh. So I purposely wore a black tank top because I figured whatever was in the box, it would look pretty good off of black. So, oh yes. Do y'all see this color? This is beautiful. Like I just said, green is my favorite color, but when I tell you this color blue is like pushing green slowly out the door, oh yes, I love this. I love these pendants here. I love the quality of it. It has a nice weight to it, but it's not too heavy that it's pulling on my neck. I love the quality. The second piece is a ring. It's an adjustable ring. I love these type of adjustable rings, okay? Let's see if I can really. Okay. So I love these type of adjustable rings because my mama blessed me with really small hands. So my ring size is like a 5, okay? It's really small. And so I oftentimes, sometimes I can go in the store and a 6 will fit me fine, but I have a hard time sometimes finding rings, and then the adjustable rings with the stretch, I might as well just throw them in the trash. They won't stay on my fingers. So I love that this is adjustable. So I am going to tighten it up so it'll fit my finger. Oh my gosh, well y'all look at that. That is so beautiful. Can you see it? And it goes great with my necklace, with the pendant there. And these earrings, I could also get some more. I might just be ordering some earrings from Sassy Jones because I'm really impressed. So in my box, just to recap, I got this beautiful ring. I love this. I got this beautiful royal blue, and it has red specks in it, pendant, long beaded necklace, and this amazing clutch for $29.99. I'm very, very happy. I am very happy. I do not feel like I wasted my money. I have been a part of a subscription box before, and I canceled after 1 month because I was so disappointed with my product that I was not gonna give anybody my hard-earned money for giving me a box of junk. That's not the case. I will gladly give her my $29.99 a month. This is beautiful. Spring is coming up, summer's coming up. I already got outfits in my head to go with this. I'm already thinking about a nice coral colored tank top or a coral colored sundress, and I'm impressed. Sassy Jones, you did your thing. I'm so glad to finally be a sassy girl. I am going to leave the information below so that if anybody else is interested, this is a local Black-owned business. I was not aware that it was local for years because it was an online boutique, but they are opening up a retail store here in Richmond, Virginia. Thank you all for joining me today, and don't forget to have a great day and to enjoy the journey.